Hi friends, good morning. Helsinki time 7:50 a.m. and I'm outside and cycling. Temperature is -1 degree. So as you have seen some snows. Actually that was not snow, that was some water that we say was so dew. So that's on the grass and somewhere on the trees and the street. So that's got frozen. So there is real drastic change in the temperature this week here. So on weekend, today is the Tuesday by the way, on the weekend Saturday Sunday temperature was 13 degree and today temperature is -1 degree. So there's huge difference in temperature. And as I have promised, I'm cycling to office the same route I cycled last week, and just to capture some beautiful ways, sceneries I used to go office. So you can see here. The streets are really pretty good. So this is real autumn in Europe. Basically I'm in Helsinki, so you can see how beautiful these streets looking like nowadays. So I'm going to office with the same way. I'm trying to capture some beautiful scene on the route, so just for the memory. And guys, last week I have mentioned I have participated in the cycling challenge in my office, and I was one of the 20 winners who completed more than 200 kilometers, and I have completed 1600 kilometers. So yesterday I got reward for that. So you can see in the video here on the side of you can see the video of my reward here. And guys, temperature is really changed this week here, as I have said. So but yeah, as long as there is no snow, we can cycle easily over here. Even in snow people used to cycle because they used to change their wheels, and the winter wheels comes with winter bike wheels comes with some spikes, so that's quite easy for you to cycle in the snow as well. But that's not what I'm going to do. But I will try to cycle as long as there is no snow on the street, and I will try to capture these beautiful scenes. And really, this is really looking beautiful. It's really looking beautiful. And you can see this little kid, and he's cycling in -1 degree. And guys, believe me, in end of the August, most of the people put their bike cycle in the garage. So they thought, yeah, summer done and now we have to relax. Not relax, but we cannot do cycling anymore, because from October it was, from September and October it was started raining and temperature started going below. So people thought we cannot cycle. Even me, I put my cycle in the garage, but now I'm cycling from last weeks. And you see these kids, and he's cycling, and you know, they are the future and the pride of this country. And they will be real cyclists, they will be the sportsman, and that's how they are bringing coming up, that's how they are growing up in this environment. And this cycling in -1 degree very easily relaxed way, so you can imagine. So these are nothing for them. As you can see, this person is cycling in -1 degree, and his kid in his back trolley. So you know, this really amazing country, yeah. Amazing people had brilliant thoughts. We can't even think of it. And on cycle, -1 degree, and his kid in his back stroller trolley. Amazing, yeah. Amazing thoughts. Why not this guys, when he grow up, he'll do cycling in -20 degree? Of course he will. Guys, I'm reaching Kala Satama, so you can see this high-rise towers here. So, and this is bridge I used to cross as usual. Friends, I'm reaching Hakaniami. This is quite near to my office, 2 kilometers, around 2 kilometers. So I'll be reaching my office in next 10 minutes. But yeah, sun is shining. Temperature looks little good. Sorry.